Here we have an example from 8.2 where we're converting square centimeters to square millimeters. So to do that, what we're first going to do is find the conversion factor between centimeters and millimeters. So let's find what 1 centimeter is equal to in millimeters. And to do that, I'm going to bring back up the King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. If we begin in centimeters, to get to millimeters, I need to move 1 place to the right, 1 decimal place to the right. So if my decimal begins here, 1 decimal place to the right would give me 10. So we would have that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now to come up with centimeters squared is equal to how many millimeters squared, what I'm going to do is square both sides of this equation, which actually gives me that 1 centimeter squared, as 1 squared is 1, would be equal to, and we know that 10 squared is equal to 100. So 1 square centimeter is equal to 100 square millimeters. So as I'm converting square centimeters to square millimeters, I would need to multiply by 100 or move the decimal place to the right 2. So in this example, if I multiplied it by 100 or moved the decimal place to the right 2, I would end up with 83,200. So 832 square centimeters is equal to 83,200 square millimeters. Here we have an example where I'm converting cubic meters to cubic decimeters. So what I first want to do, and it's similar to the previous problem, is let's find out how to convert meters to decimeters, and then we'll find cubic meters to cubic decimeters. So over here, 1 meter is equal to how many decimeters? I'd begin at the base. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. The base is meters. To get to decimeters, that would be 1 decimal place to the right. So 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. But if I want to know how to convert cubic meters to cubic decimeters, we're going to cube both sides of this equation. So 1 to the 3rd power still gives me 1 cubic meter is equal to, now 10 to the 3rd power would be 1,000. So I would have 1,000 cubic decimeters. So to convert from cubic meters to cubic decimeters, I'm going to be multiplying by 1,000 or moving the decimal place to the right 3 places. So 8 times 1,000 would be 8,000 cubic decimeters. So 8 cubic meters would equal 8,000 cubic decimeters.